ARC Open State Cavity Barrier provides simple and effective fire stopping within the cavity of external walls where ventilation is required in service use, offering up to 120 minutes fire integrity. Manufactured from non-combustible rock fibre mineral wool with a reactive intumescent layer, the cavity barrier can provide an air gap of up to either 25 mm or 44 mm. The intumescent layer will rapidly expand when exposed to heat in a fire event, closing off the air gap and preventing vertical fire spread within the external wall cavity. ARC OSCB has been tested to ASFP TGD19 fire test standard for open state cavity barriers. ARC Open State Cavity Barrier is fixed into place using the ARC MP or ARC HP brackets. See fixing specifications for details. Fold the fixing brackets according to the fixing details and fix to the inner leaf. Use appropriate non-combustible fixings for the substrate and follow the bracket location advice from the datasheet. Consider the bracket positions to avoid a clash with the screws pre-fixed inside the barrier. The vertical leg of the brackets should be fixed so that they extend above the cavity barrier. Push fit the cavity barrier onto the brackets, ensuring the brackets penetrate the barrier centrally through its 75 mm depth. Ensure the rear face of the barrier is tightly fitted against the inner substrate without gaps. Individual lengths should be butt jointed tightly together with no gaps. Ensure both the rock mineral wool and the intumescent components are butted together tightly. At the extreme end of a run or at corners, the end of the cavity barrier must tightly abut the substrate with no gaps. Partner ARC Open State Cavity Barrier with ARC Fire Stop Slab installed vertically for a complete cavity barrier solution. Visit our website to find out more about ARC's award-winning range of cavity fire barriers and cavity closers.